Go to a Windows. Contextual taskbar. Click to generate image. Write the prompt here and generate automatic your image. Select the reference image. Click to choose image. Select the reference image. Mockup image. Just click place button. Click to generate button and automatic generate your image. Select the variations, select the second one and select the third one. Mockup is very good. I show you before and after result. Go to a file, create a new document. Click to generate image. Write the prompt, generate mockup poster. Just click to generate button then automatic generate image. Select the variations, select the second one and select the third one. Write to convert to Smart Object. Make a all selection, press Ctrl+A. Copy, press Ctrl+C. Paste your subject, press Ctrl+V. Toggle layer visibility. Button turn on. Write to convert to Smart Object. Go to a select subject layer. Make a selection your subject. Create a layer, press Ctrl+J. Toggle layer enable button turn on. Right, create a clipping mask. Free transform, press hold Alt key. Change the blend mode, multiply. Select layer 1 then, create a duplicate layer, press Ctrl+J. Right to create a clipping mask. Again right to create a clipping mask. Again change blend mode, screen. Then opacity, 20%. Go to open the curves. First press the clipping mask button here. Adjustment the curves layer, add shine. I show you before and after result.